going on, YouTube? It's SRTTJ back with another video, y'all. As you can see by the title, man, we're gonna give y'all another POV at nighttime. I haven't been posting like a couple days, man. Lately I've been chilling in the house. Haven't really been having no car shit going on. But man, I made up my mind to just start vlogging for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Need to stay consistent with the YouTube stuff, gotta keep dropping these bangers. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little POV at night. I'm not gonna go too crazy because the police do be out at night, but I mean, it's just something to post, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in track mode and put that traction and sport. So basically it's like the traction kind of turned off. But yeah, man, make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, man. We almost at 800 subscribers and almost at 1,000 subscribers, so let's go ahead and get that out the way and grow from there. My miles per gallon a little high, man. I've been chilling in the car, been cruising. I've been looking at some Hellcats too, man. I'm thinking about getting me a Hellcat. I'm gonna end up trading this car in. I don't know when, but I'm just thinking about it. Thinking about getting a little Hellcat. Not a little Hellcat or Hellcat. I don't know why I talk like that, but that's just how I talk. I don't mean it like, you know what I'm saying, but I'm finna give y'all, well, not really a pull. I'm finna just bash this bit. The wheel's gonna be spinning, so let me go ahead and roll down the windows for y'all and just give y'all a quick pull right quick. That bit got loose, boy. Look, it still got smoke way back there. I feel bad for them people that stay on that street, man. Damn. I didn't know I was gonna cut up that fucking bad. Let me go ahead and shake the spot. Slow it down on this curve, y'all. And they be having deers out in these little roads like this, so I'm gonna take it easy right here. A bit loud though, boy. Cutting up for y'all boys on the POV drive. See, a lot of people say, man, I don't want to do that be cutting up on the POV drive. Shit, you damn right, gotta cut up, cause shit, I know what y'all want to see. I mean, I used to watch POV drive. I know I be wanting to see, and they don't be cutting up how I be. You know what I'm saying? How I be wanting to, like, y'all know what I'm saying. But I'm trying to see if they got polices over here. I might spin that bit a little bit, bro, for y'all boys. I don't know if that's the police or what, but let's see. Nah, they got too many cars. I don't trust that. I ain't gonna lie, I was finna spin that bit for y'all, boy. Ooh, be nervous when you see them bright lights, man. You don't know if they the police or not, bro. But I ain't gonna take that risk. Just giving y'all a little POV drive and shit on the way back home. Might as well, you know what I'm saying, post something on the YouTube channel to keep it going. But yeah, man, like I was saying, bro, I'm looking at me some Hellcats. And I'm not even gonna cap y'all, bro. I was looking at like some BMWs and Mercedes. I was thinking about going in the foreign game, but if I get in the foreign game, you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna be racing and doing spinning and all that other content. But I mean, I feel like spinning and racing and Scatpack, Hellcats, I think that's gonna build a channel. That's how I started it, so might as well finish it like that. So I'm just thinking about just going ahead and snatch a Hellcat up. And I am looking at the Hellcat Chargers. I'm kind of not a fan of the Challengers anymore, man. I want a photo. And personally, I just like how the Hellcat Chargers look. They look better than the Challenger Hellcats. Cause really, I really don't see a difference in the Scatpack Challengers and the Hellcat Challengers. It's just really just the bumper and the what else? The bumper, obviously the engine, and what else? That's pretty much it. The bumper and the badge. They all look the same to me. It's 10:58. Might as well say it's 11. I'm not gonna edit this video. Well, I'm gonna edit just a little bit, but I'm not gonna edit all this, man. Just a POV drive. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta edit nothing. I'm just combine this and post it for y'all, something for y'all can watch. When I get off this road, this long road, I'm gonna give y'all a couple pulls. Police and stuff be ducked off out here. And the last thing I wanna do is get pulled over right now. Don't need no speeding ticket. The car, man, I haven't been punching on it lately. I just been cruising in it. And it just feel like it's just ready to take off. Might get y'all a little pull. I don't know why this car feels fast as hell right now. Maybe because I'm not used to it. I haven't been punching it lately. But it most definitely feel good tonight. Feels real good. Feel like a little mini Hellcat, man. Man, I had supposed to went to the dealership this morning, bro. That's what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to vlog this morning because I was gonna bring the car to the dealership to get the oil change so they can check everything like the fluids, and I need a little couple things like that little camera thing in the front. I think that little case thing fell off. Right here, the little seal by the windshield wipers peeling up. I think they had a recall on the 2021s about that. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that Scatpack badge back on the spoiler. I'm gonna tell them that it flew off. I actually took it out, but I'm gonna tell them it flew off. Cause the car finna hit 36,000 miles, and when you hit 36,000 miles, I think that warranty leave it cancels. So not the motor warranty. I think it's the bumper warranty that ends at 36,000 miles. So that's why I'm just going to go to the dealership and get everything checked out before I hit that 36,000 miles mark, so everything could be, good and straight. By the time I trade the car in, I wouldn't have to worry about parts and stuff missing off the car, like little small stuff. I'm going to go ahead and get the fluids and the transmission fluids check, see if I had to change any one of those. But yeah, man, if y'all enjoying the video, y'all like content like this, man, y'all let me know. Comment down below if y'all want to see different content, certain content y'all want to see. Y'all know I got y'all. I'll post whatever y'all recommend. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, bro. Down the windows. It's kind of chilly out here. Ooh, boy, this motherfucker loud. Man, I don't be realizing how loud this car is, bro. Man, if y'all don't know by now, the exhaust is I have a mid muffler delete and a catalyst mids. I got catalyst mids on. I still have my resonators at the back. The reason why I kept the resonators is I heard a lot of people say something about back pressure. So I guess back pressure helps the car run better, I guess, or a little bit more top end. It does something. That's why I just kept it on there. I mean, I was gonna put them on anyway because when I put the catalyst mids on, I didn't have my resonators on. I was mid muff and resonator deleted. And when I put them catalyst mids on, man, I had did a little start, bro. The car was way too loud, so I had to put the little mufflers on at the back. Bro, look. And I went to a car meet the other day. Hold on, let me try to spin this roundabout? I don't want the police to be called on me. Fucking people right there. You know, they be. I spent there just a little bit for y'all. I ain't go too crazy. But like I was saying, man, I went to a car meet the other night, man. It really wasn't hitting on nothing, but it was some content. I flashed out. I didn't end up recording. I should have recorded, but man, I had did a little burnout, and I did a burnout, and a lot of people said my car was shooting flames. So man, I was happy. I was excited when people told me my car shot flames a little bit. It's not tuned or nothing, and it's just careless mirrors and it's shooting flames. So that made me kind of excited. I always did have one in my car to shoot or lit flames or something. Fuck, it's so loud. I mean, you think it'll shoot flames every time it's downshift. Y'all hear that popping? It backfires like crazy, especially when it's cold outside. All right, now this where the police be at right here, man. I had to calm down right here. I'm gonna do one more pull for y'all. Alright, that's it. Look at that gas. I need gas already. I got 27 miles. That gas most definitely gonna pop up. Gonna let you know you need gas in this bit. But yeah, y'all, man, it's the end of the video, bro. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Put your bell notifications on to see whenever I post another video. But yeah, man, y'all, I'm out. Y'all stay safe out here, bro. Stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? And that's it, man. Soon I put the camera down, two police cars, SUVs just passed me up, going the opposite way, man. That's crazy.